Hello there, Kenny. How are ya? Wonderful. It is December 20th, 2009, and we just had a northeaster blizzard that's probably just about ready to end, and Kenny is going to go outside to plow his deck and walkway. Okay, and we're off. Kenny just got a new snow blower, so we're going to go test it out. Hi, Joanna.
What's that?
That's Joanna.
What is it? Oh.
She's covered with snow. This is an electric snow blower that we bought. It works actually really nice. Joanna, plow over here so we can make a path for Kenny. Can you see why she's covered? All right, let Kenny do right here in front.
What? Push it. Squeeze the handle back. Keep going. Now's the hottest time. All you have to do is hold that button in. Push. That's my car! Look at the snow on my car!
So this is how crazy it is. Kenny, isn't it really cold? Aren't you cold? Yeah? Oh. Alright, this is what we're working on, the porch. We already been doing this like all night, so we're just now gonna have Kenny experience a little bit of his blower. So, this is what New England looks like. Unpredictable weather, as always. Pretty neat. Our penguins are buried. Actually, it was worse than this. We turned the lights on. This is our penguins. Mo, Larry, and Curly. Our presents buried. Mr. Tin Man. Hey, Mr. Tin Man. And our reindeer. Poor, this one has its head stuck in the snow. Poor thing. Snowball fight? Snowball fight? Not bad for an electrical snowblower, huh? What do you want to tell everybody? I'm going to do this again. I'm going to go do the driveway. Now we have to defrost ourselves. Oh, my goodness, Kenny.
Coffee?
Oh, sure, I'll make a coffee.
I'll take a caramel vanilla, Kenny.
Why, are you that cold?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I'm good. I can keep going. I just need some coffee.
You need a caramel vanilla?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
Yes. We're all going to have hot coffee.